Bonsoir tout le monde, c'est Ralph Conde. Je n'ai regardé là, Los Angeles, dans Namm Music, et n'a dit merci à X-Vibe, qui sont compagnie que moi représenté. Donc c'est eux-mêmes qui invitent dans gros chose ça, ok. Pour vous qui pas connaît qui ça Namm Music, mais Namm Music sont gros événements qui fait presque chaque année, ok. Maintenant événement ça que y a un paquet de toute qualité compagnie qui présentait tout dernier équipement qui va apparaître pour l'année 2026 là. Donc restez avec nous allons vivre toute ambiance, tout concert avec tout nouveau équipement, studio, vidéo, tout bagaille, tout gros équipement que nous pourrons imaginer qui est pour paraître l'année 2026 là. OK? Restez tout, on a regardé avec. Il y a une guitare qui est impressionnée et vraiment ça, son compagnie qui est le Rata Custom. Donc son compagnie seulement qui fait seulement custom guitare, ok? On a regardé des CD en custom guitare là, ok? On n'a pas avancé la garder avec moi. Il fait des CD custom bass, ok? C'est vraiment son très bon compagnie, ok? Custom. Et il y a une guitare qui attire l'attention, vous regardez. Oui, mais ça, on a regardé la guitare ça là. Ok. Donc, ça son compagnie japonais, ils sont sortis au Japon. Ils même seulement fait des custom guitare et ils sont très bien. On a regardé des petits bouts de guitare là et vraiment ils sont très nice. Right. Very nice. It looks like those are vintage guitar, right? It looks vintage.
Yep.
Good. Side.
Yeah, well, not all of them. So like, he does relicking on some of them, and like that one, there's no relicking.
Okay.
Yeah, this one has, yeah.
And you made the preamp also too?
Yeah, make the amplifiers.
I had a Parker's that looks the same.
Oh yeah, that's the guy in the yellow shirt.
Ah, okay.
These guitars.
Okay, all right.
There's three companies here.
Je n'aime pas des guitares ça. Guitare ça c'est un vintage que. Ok, regarde des guitares ça on a pour. Son compagnie qui est le Eddie Run. Yo fait un tout. Ouais, yo fait un tout là. Ah, nice. On avance. Tellement de choses pour nous là. Belle compagnie qui a tiré encore c'est un guitare ça. Are you the owner of this company? What's the name of this one?
So this model?
Yeah,
this model is called the Ogive. Ogive.
Yeah.
So both of them are Engelmann Spruce guitar, so very lightweight, and they're all end carved.
Oh, it's very light.
Yes, take it up.
Oh wow.
As you can see, I get a lot of inspiration from architecture and design, and try to making something very elegant but also new and different. But it has to feel natural to play it. So if you start playing,
I like the shape of it.
Yes.
It's very nice. Yeah. So you only make, say, a guitar and a bass?
I make only guitars.
Only guitars. Oh.
So these are my two models.
Okay.
This one, sorry.
Oh, this one I have the tremolo.
Yes, this one has a tremolo, and if you look on the other side, this one also has a control cavity that's gilded with gold leaf.
Okay. Nice. And how much are we talking about?
So this goes for $6,600.
6,000. Guitars haven't $6,000. Guitars are not $6,000. Oh, that's nice.
And this goes for $5,500.
5,000. Ça son nice bass. Ça c'est like ça son fretless bass. Yes. Okay. Oh, you represent this company?
Yeah.
Ah, good. I never heard about this brand.
Yeah, we are quite new. I mean, 4 years old. We were at the Namm show last year, and still in this.
Where you guys from?
We are from North Italy.
Italy, yeah.
Between Milan and Verona.
Okay.
This is a map of the lake where we are from. It's an ancient map of the lake. We are located right here.
It's a fretless.
It's fretless. All Italian woods. You have a semi-hollow body, so it's carved all the way.
Nice.
Here and this side as well, with a central core. Some things we do. Round neck joint. So this bass has a lot of sustain. It's bolt-on, but it feels like it's a neck through because we have a lot of surface area of contact between the neck and the body.
Nice. So what about if someone wanna order this one? Yeah, let's say I wanna buy it.
This bass, this particular one.
Yeah.
We can sell it after the show is over.
Okay.
We can have a deal. If you want to buy it, you can pay for it, and we'll deliver it to you after the show.
How much we talking about?
We are talking about 9,000.
9,000. Ça vend $9,000. Ça sont des qui vendent $9,000 n'a regardé là. Ça sont des qui sortis en Italie. Nice.
But this model starts from around 5,500. This, of course, is a bit pricier because of the artwork, and it was built specifically for the show.
Great. All right, I'll be right back.
of the ones I made.
Oh yeah?
Because it's made with zebra wood body, which is really dense, really heavy wood, and a hash neck too.
Wow.
So it's
And
really heavy.
how much are we talking about for this one?
So this one goes for 4,000 euro. For the show we make a discount.
US.
Euro. US it would be like I don't know the conversion rate.
What's the euro price?
4,000.
4,000 euro. Maybe 5,000.
Yeah, probably around
5,000. I mean, all of them are different price, right?
So the headdress are all the same prices, and this one is 5,000 euro. Again, I'm not sure the conversion rate is.
Yeah.
This one has a piezo system, so you have a acoustic simulator sound.
I like the way it's shipped.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Custom pickups, stainless steel frets.
You have your Comme dit que moi là Namm je pas rencontré un pile haïtien mais c'est deuxième haïtien moi rencontré. Donc monsieur ça c'est un Manobit. Bon bagage et puis c'est Wolf, OK. Nèg yo là town là so nèg so musicien normal. OK. So comme son bon temps ouais frère. All right. Bye. All right man. Son l'autre belle compagnie qui est les Audi Guitar. En pile là, faut me dire nous que il y a en pile de compagnie ça aussi nous besoin acheter. Faut nous contacter directement soit dans l'email ou aussi dans notre website parce que nous pas acheter et sans nous pas bien contact nous. Regardez guitare sur n'importe. Hi, you guys represent this company?
What's that?
You guys are the owner, right?
Yeah.
From this company, that's all the guitars.
Yeah.
Where you guys from?
Israel.
Israel.
Yeah.
Oh, right. They like some. Are they custom made or
All custom.
all custom made? Yeah. I like this one. I'm a guitar player also. Ça c'est une compagnie qui sorti Israël. So got the guitars on up where? It's pretty nice. That's one nice. That's on 7 strings. Roughly how much you talking about? Let's say this one.
So this one's $7,200 US.
7,000, right?
Yeah. Custom order from like a customer starts.
You have your card?
Yep. Starts at 4,500 and then you customize and you decide on your custom inlay and the woods and the colors and everything.
Let's say all the process.
Here.
Okay, how do we? let's say I want to get this one. How we go for the process?
You just write an email.
An email?
Okay. You can write an email and let me know I want the
This model, okay.
model,
Okay.
and then we can start discussing everything. What pickups do you like? What scale length? How many strings? What woods?
7s, I'm not 6.
And okay.
Yeah.
And, well, mostly what I do is I will ask you what kind of music do you like to play,
Yeah.
and what kind of guitars are you familiar with?
I most likely play Fenders.
Okay.
I like the sound of the Fender Strike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Là, nous avons l'autre style de guitare là, ok, qui est les Mayones guitar and bass. Nous avons regardé là, c'est des guitares vraiment et en plus la guitare ça c'est un custom yo, eh. Ok. Ça sont 7 string. Regardez ça. Ça sont 7 string. Moi j'aime ça.
There's some without the colors, but after when you have the colors.
Nous allons laisser parler avec Honneur pour nous prendre plus. Nous allons laisser parler avec Honneur pour nous prendre plus de détails sur la guitare ça. Et il fait bass, vous venez regarder. Got on bass.
Boy, he sure has come a long way.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Nice.
I love the shit he's doing with Malone.
Oh yeah. Oh
It's the
yeah.
best shit he's ever done.
Absolutely. By far.
Mario
His
guitar and
group,
bass.
who's ever done-
Spice Island, Mayones guitar and bass.
I see him local right now.
Oh yeah.
But that's interesting. That's his actual bass. No wonder.
Nice.
Yeah, that G.
Même plus intéressé la guitare parce que vraiment j'aime le style guitare ça. Yo.
Doesn't go experiment on exactly.
I like this style.
That's something like that. And they stay like 10.
Yeah.
Mayones guitar. So you
Yes.
do guitar and bass also,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. Where you
are
got
from
from?
Poland.
Poland.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So you got 7 string and 6 strings.
Yeah. We have also 8 strings, but we don't have any here because of the limited space. But yeah.
I like this one. It's
Yeah,
very nice.
That's the latest edition with the Evertune. We do a multi-scale often, but this is the first one with the multi-scale Evertune.
How much we talking about that? Let's say I want to get one.
So it depends where you are located because we sell mostly for the dealers. But if you are from the country where there is no dealer, then we can sell directly to you. So yeah,
Like I love this.
yeah. So this is a signature model of Alex Hutchings. He's a UK player.
Okay.
So this is his personal model, but it's based on the Aquila. So we have a few different finishes on that model as well. So yeah.
What about the pickups, electronic?
So we do everything in-house. So we offer bare knuckle pickups as a custom option, but we do all our pickups ourselves with a 5-way selector, so it goes into either and outer throats.
You know, there's a lot of pickup that make noise. Is this noiseless?
Noiseless, yeah.
Noiseless.
Yeah.
Nice. So how much is, let's say, this one?
That would be around $5,000 more or less.
$5,000.
Yeah.
So guitars have $5,000 n'a regardé là. Guitars are. All right. So you guys has a website. We
Yep.
can buy directly from the website. Or
You have to reach out for the email and then we discuss all the
for the
details.
email.
Yeah.
So we send a text email to the website and then they will charge back
or
to
you can
us.
just reach out to me directly if you want to. So it's one on the top.
Okay. All right. Thank you, man. I like this.
glad to
one.
hear it, glad to hear it.
And you guys have nice bass also.
Yeah, so this is the latest model that we do. So it's called Ori because the name comes from the origami. That's why it has all this rough, like cut shapes, like a folded paper. So yeah. So our own pickups, we designed it for the bass. Our own bridge. So electronics are also our own. So yeah.
Good. All right, man. I got your number.
Yeah, if you need anything,
So we
let me
keep
know.
in touch, man.
Have a great show.
Thank you, man. Je n'ai pas regardé là, nous avec Enya Music. Ok, moi j'ai fait un review sur Enya guitare déjà. Je dis à Namm, je vais montrer nous des séries de guitares que vous avez, des séries de nouveaux guitares que vous avez. Ok. Et songez, Enya guitare, c'est guitare qui tout bien fait là-dedans. Donc, on n'a pas besoin de pédale effect pour jouer guitare. Ça, yo. Par exemple, nous ça, il vient avec effet pédale. Ok? Il y a différents types de Enya. nice stand too.